What's going on, everyone? Got a 2019 BMW 5 Series. I'm gonna show you how to reset the service reminders. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is use the BC button. I got the car running right now, by the way, and you're gonna want to make sure that you have where it tells you the odometer, like the mileage and the trip. Okay, so you're gonna hit the BC button until you get it like this. Okay, then what we're gonna do is go ahead and turn the car off. Okay, and take your foot off the brake. Now you're gonna hit start stop 3 times really fast. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and it'll power the car up, but it won't start it. All right, right here you can see the car's telling me the service is due. Kind of missed it, but to reset that, all we're gonna do is press and hold down the button that you have right here on the cluster. Okay, so I'm pressing and holding it down, and it'll bring up the service menu. All right, so it says engine oil reset possible. I'm going to press and hold the button down again, and ask me if I want to reset. I'm going to let go and hold the button down again. Okay, it's reset in progress. All right, I'm going to let go. Now we can go through and it will tell me what else needs to be reset. Okay, so I am good here. We got everything good. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I really appreciate it if you drop me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing, or or how your reset goes, or anything you got. Just let me know. Really would appreciate the comment. Drop me a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.